Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and assembling what matters, no waiting. Weigh cocoa mass, cocoa butter, and sugar to hit roughly 70% cocoa solids. This gives structure and flavor. Once done, set up a clean double boiler and a thermometer. Make small test batches of 200-300 G to dial ratios quickly. You need a blender or grinder to refine particles under 30 microns. This step saves you time later. Make sure to preheat tools so you don't shock the chocolate. Now you melt and combine for a smooth base. Gently heat cocoa butter to 40-45 degrees C, then fold in cocoa mass and powdered sugar. Mix off heat to control crystallization. Add lecithin or 1 to 2% neutral oil to improve flow. Once homogenized, refine the mixture. Use a high-speed grinder or surrogate concha for 12 to 24 hours to reduce grit and develop flavor. If it reads too viscous, add 0.5 to 1% cocoa butter and keep checking temperature and mouthfeel. Finish by tempering and storing correctly so your supply lasts. You temper dark chocolate to about 31-32 degrees C, pour into molds and cool slowly at 18 to 20 degrees to get a glossy snap. For unlimited supply, reclaim trimmings, grind and remelt scraps, then rebalance with fresh cocoa butter and a small sugar addition. Make sure jars are airtight and stored away from light. If the chocolate seizes or turns grainy, warm gently and add a teaspoon of warm cocoa butter or a drop of lecithin to rescue it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.